In this video, we will see how we can populate the text of a label using code blocks. First, we select the label that we will use to display the number of following, go to the Styles Inspector, and enable the Visible in Code property. We will also change its display name so we can find it more easily in the code blocks. Then, we go to Code and navigate to the protocols. We can see that there is a protocol called didSetVariables. There are all the functions that will be auto-called when the value of a screen property is updated. We will add the didSetUser function, and then we will open it to implement it. This function will be called every time the user screen property is set. So we add the label setText block from the recommended category, and then we drag the number of following label from the Visible in Code blocks. Now, we need to get the usernames of the following from the user. So we first drag the function argument, which is the user that just got updated. Then, we drag a new empty red block. These blocks help us take a property from another property. For example, to take the username or the following array from our user. Now we need to get the count of objects from the list, which is a different name for the arrays. As we can see, these two blocks don't match. Because one is integer, which is a number without decimals, and the other is a text. So we need to somehow connect these two. To do so, we can use the search. We press the text, and then we type int in the input field. Now we can see that there is a block that gets the text value from a number. We drag this block, and connect them all together. Finally, we press back to save it. Now, if we run our app again, this time we can see that the label has the right number of following. In our dummy data, only Bruce has one following user.